Yeah, the rest of the words. Okay. Good morning, this is Judge Starr. We have Osceola initial appearances this morning. First person I have is John Baker.
I'll be making a probable cause argument in this case, Your Honor.
Okay, go ahead.
This police report seems very vague. It does not indicate who witnessed the alleged incident and does not indicate whether the incident occurred at any alleged time. It's very vague. I'm a bit confused as to whether this is the complete report, to be frank. It does indicate that the defendant and the co-defendant were interviewed, but it does not indicate, when they were interviewed or where they were interviewed. So I'm a little bit confused about this, and I believe that it does not meet the requirements of probable cause to have them arrested.
All right, thank you for your argument. I do find probable cause. There's going to be no bond in Mr. Baker's case. Next case we have is Jean Carlos Vazo Rivera. Oh, yeah, I'm appointing the PD. And am I allowed to appoint the PD for all the Osceola cases that we hear this morning, so I don't have to repeat myself or forget?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, perfect. Public defender is appointed in all cases this morning as we address the Osceola cases this morning. That goes for Mr. Jean Carlos Vazo Rivera. Good morning. How are you, sir?
No.
All right, I've reviewed your affidavit, find probable cause, and set your bond at $1,500. There's no contact with the victim, no weapons, no alcohol, no drugs. I don't know if you live together, but you can't live with her anymore.
Okay.
All right.
Is that a no return, Judge?
Say again?
Is that a no return, Judge?
No return. No contact, no return, no weapons, no alcohol.
Judge, I believe that there is two cases.
Yes, Your Honor. There's 2 counts of the battery, and both reports are they're a duplicate of the same report. So I'm concerned as to whether he's being charged twice with the same incident.
I only see Stefania.
What's that, Your Honor?
I only see Stefania. I don't know. Hold on.
I agree, Your Honor. It looks like there's only one alleged victim on the report.
It's the same case number. It's just 2 copies. It's just 2 copies. It's the same case number. Let me look at this closely.
Agency.
2 different agency numbers?
2 different agency numbers. Judge, if you look on the top of one of the charging affidavits, it looks as though the agency case number was marked off and another one was put in its place.
Yeah.
21I048791.
All right, let's go with 21I, the one that's the new one after it's crossed out, 21IO48791. It's the same book number, too. Osceola. So arrest has 2 different arrest numbers. So let's go with the one that they marked, which is 21IO48791. Okay. Oh, we have the interpreter case. Should I call that one next? Are they calling it? Oh, they're gone now. Are we getting prank called by the interpreter? Okay, so it's the same case. I see it as it's the same case. So if you need the court to take action on one case, so this 21 I053816, that's crossed out. This one, no action.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Just for clarification, Judge, you're RORing,
ROR
the
on that
2-1
one. And then on
Okay.
21I048791, what did my post-it say? Oh, 1,000.
1,500,
Did I do it already? What, because I already forgot. 1,000.
$1,500.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. Judge, just for clarification, also, Mr. Vazo Rivera, if he's actually out on bail in Orange County, case number 2020 CF 014205000, it looks D as in David, OX. This is for burglary of a dwelling, false imprisonment, times 2 criminal mischief and petty theft. Would you like to take any action out on that?
I would like to revoke his bond on that.
And what bond would be set at, Judge?
For those, no bond.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Okay, Tyla Clark.
President approaching.
Say again?
She's present and
Oh,
approaching, Your Honor.
okay, thank you. Okay, good morning, Ms. Clark. I've reviewed your affidavit, find probable cause, set your bond at $3,000. You have no contact with Carlos, no return, separate residences, no weapons, no drugs, no alcohol.
Judge, it's $3,000. She does qualify for bond with pretrial release.
And we would be asking for a lower monetary bond due to her being her first arrest
Here in Florida.
here in Florida.
Denied. Next case, Kashra Forrest. You want to make the same argument again?
No, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Forrest, I find probable cause for your arrest. You don't have a bond. There's no bond in your case.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Roderick Lockhart. Good morning, Mr. Lockhart. How are you?
Locker. Good morning.
Morning. You have a warrant out from Marion County. There's no bond in that case. I don't know when they're sending you back. All right, have a seat, thank you. George Lopez.
Judge,
Good morning,
Officer
Your Honor.
Dunkirk with pretrial release. Mr. Lopez, we actually spoke to the victim prior to court, and they're requesting contact and requesting for Mr. Lopez to return home. He has minimum history, and he does qualify for bond with pretrial release.
Would you like to be heard?
Yes, Your Honor. Destiny Vargas for the state. The state is objecting to contact with the victim due to the nature of the charges.
May I be heard, Your Honor?
Again?
That was from PTR. That was an officer from PTR as to the PTR.
All right, so I have, just so I'm clear, I have multiple cases, correct? I have a warrant, correct?
2 warrants, Judge.
2 warrants, yeah.
2 warrants, separate DV cases.
Yes, Judge.
All right, so on those cases, hold on. Oh, I see. So case number 21I053891.
Judge, is this case number 21 CF 1266?
Hold on.
I believe the officer put a case number.
So many case numbers. Hold on.
They're the same one.
Booking number,
No, they're different ones. 21, yeah. But they're the same.
21MM960 is the court case number. This Osceola case, can we start there?
Yeah, they're different.
All right, I'm gonna
Different.
do a bond of $5,000 on each case. No contact. You can bring up your motions later. No contact, no drugs, no alcohol, no weapons. For both cases.
Judge, in case number 21 CF, one of the conditions of the warrant is maintain separate residence. And another condition in case number 21 MM960 is no return to the scene. Would Judge like to impose those?
Yes, thank you. All right, anything else? All right, good luck, Mr. Lopez.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Judge,
Yeah.
my apologies. In case number 21 CF 1266, there is 3 charges in there. Count 1 would be kidnap, false imprisonment. Count 2 would be battery, and count 3 would be tampering with misdemeanor.
Okay, so the kidnapping is 5,000, the battery is 500, and the tampering is 1,000.
Would you like to add pretrial release with that, Judge?
I can add trial release?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure, I'll add it.
Your Honor, as to the battery, standalone battery, is there a bond on that case?
5,000.
That was 5,000.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
PTR on both? Yes, thank
Thank you,
you.
Judge.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay,
Okay.
Robinson Lopez Lopez. Good morning, Mr. Lopez. Good
morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. How are you?
Good morning.
Okay, I've reviewed your affidavit, find probable cause.
Judge, Officer Dunkirk with pretrial release. Mr. Lopez doesn't have any convictions whatsoever. He only has one notice to appear, and that was a Dwillis. That was a withheld back in 2015. We did get to speak with the victim, and she's requesting contact. Mr. Lopez actually qualifies for a bond with pretrial release.
I take it when you tell me that there's no prior criminal history, it's Florida you're looking at, right?
Yes, Judge. Yes, Judge.
We would be asking at this time for the lowest monetary bond due to his lack of prior criminal history and the fact that the victim is asking for contact.
All right, I was going to have it at 8,000, I'll lower it to 5,000. No contact with the victim, no weapons, no drugs, alcohol, and you can add PTR to that as well. Thank you. Mr. Navarro, Raul Navarro? Mr. Navarro, you got picked up because you failed to appear for a petty theft charge,
Correct.
which,
I was incarcerated in Orange County, and I already signed the plea form for those 2 charges.
is that true?
Yes, the PD should have them.
All right, well, I'm going to set your bond today at $500 because I don't have that information. Here you go. All right, have a seat. Thank you so much. Felix Pena?
Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Pena. How are you?
I'm doing good. Yourself?
All right, I reviewed your affidavit, find probable cause, set your bond at $1,500. No contact with Melissa. No weapons, no drugs, no crayons. No alcohol.
Thank you.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Lamarcus Stewart. Good morning, Mr. Stewart.
Good morning, Judge.
I reviewed your affidavit, find probable cause. Your burglary with a battery is going to be no bond. The battery on the Leo, 5,000, and the resisting without is 1,000. That's all. Have a seat. Thank you. Tommy Wood?
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Good.
You have a violation of probation warrant. Looks like the bond in your case was already set at $1,000. So I'll leave it at $1,000. Anything else from Mr. Wood? All right, Mr. Wood, have a seat. Thank you. Taha Bing?
He's in the back. He's approaching, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. All right, good morning, Mr. Bing. I reviewed your affidavit, find probable cause, set your bond at $1,000. That's all. Thank you. Catherine Walker?
She's approaching, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, good morning, Ms. Walker. How are you?
All right, Your Honor, how are you?
I'm wonderful. Thank you so much for asking. I reviewed your affidavit to find probable cause. You have 2 counts. Set your bonds at $2,500 per count. This concludes your IA hearing this morning. Please have a seat. Thank you.
Judge, before Ms. Walker walks away, I just want to advise you that she was actually in court on Friday. She got sanctioned for problem-solving court, and she was supposed to be released ROR. The case is not disposed yet. She's still in the diversion program. Did you want to do anything with that, ma'am?
No, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Oh, for the record, Judge, let me give you that case number. 19 CF 1441.
Okay, thank you. Justin Alfred Duda?
He has refused, Your Honor.
Okay.
How would you like to continue with him?
Let's reset him for tomorrow. Again. All right, this is the Portuguese interpreter, William Giorgio Daziel.
That's correct, Your Honor.
What do you want?
Good morning, this is Judge Starr. Do we have a interpreter, Portuguese interpreter?
Yes, Your Honor, interpreter is on the line.
Okay. Do you swear to interpret from Portuguese to English and English to Portuguese to the best of your abilities, so help you God?
I do.
Okay. Mr. Da Silva,
Senhor da Silva,
you were arrested on a charge of battery and tampering, misdemeanor procedure.
então você foi preso, não é? Com uma carga de bateria.
I reviewed your affidavit and I find probable cause for the arrest.
Não entendi.
Hello, Judge, I'm sorry, I was not able to interpret everything you said. Just we have a noise on the line here.
Okay. I reviewed your
Allow
arrest
me to repeat.
affidavit.
Sorry.
I reviewed your arrest affidavit.
Your Honor, allow me to interpret the previous thing you said, please. I was not able to finish that.
What? All right, how
We have
about,
an issue on the line. I was not able to completely interpret what you said before.
can you not hear me?
I'm able to hear, but I was not able to finish the interpretation.
Okay, so let's start over.
Thank you.
I reviewed your affidavit.
Eu fiz a revisão do seu depoimento.
I find probable cause.
Eu encontrei a provável causa.
I'm setting your bond at $500 for each count.
Ok.
Eu vou dar a sua fiança de $500 cada caso.
Ok.
You are to have no contact with the victim
Você não deve ter nenhum contato com a vítima.
Ok.
no drugs,
Não deve usar drogas.
Não, nunca usei.
no alcohol, no weapons.
Não deve usar álcool. Não deve usar arma.
Nunca usei álcool nem armas.
You need to go live somewhere else.
Você deve ir morar em outro lugar.
Your Honor, we'd be asking for a one-time return to retrieve his personal items. They do reside together.
Ok, quanto o que aconteceu, eu e minha esposa, nós se amamos demais. Infelizmente, foi uma discussão que não houve agressão.
What happened was my wife and I we disagreed a lot on things, and it was just a discussion, but there was no aggression.
Okay, I'll let you go back one time with supervision from law enforcement to retrieve your belongings.
Eu deixo você voltar lá só uma vez com a supervisão de uma autoridade para tomar os seus pertences.
Ok, tudo bem.
Okay, that's okay.
Judge, just for clarification, no contact, no alcohol only, no weapons, firearms, and a one-time assistance return?
Correct.
Thank you, Judge.
Yes, and no contact is maintain separate residences.
Não deve ter nenhum contato e manter residência separada.
Ok, no caso vai ser uma separação ou vai ter algum processo assim?
Yeah, I was not able to hear the defendant. Queria repetir?
I will answer his questions, Your Honor. I have Spanish. I can speak Spanish to him.
Okay, thank you. All right, we're done. Thank you so much, Mr. Interpreter.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you for the
Thank you.
services.
Do I hang up? Hang up? Adios? Okay. All right, done with Osceola? I'm out of papers. We're done? Okay, we're done with Osceola. Bye, see you tomorrow. Well, not you guys, but another set. Never see you again. Good luck. Bye. Bye.
These are,
For me? Okay. All righty. Okay, move ups. Chris John Burridge. Oh, I'm sorry. Stop. Sorry, my bad. Marco Garcia Antivo. Right, these, okay, got it. And then do go up. No. I tell you, it's the easy stuff I can't do. Oh my God, that's that same phone number again? No, they're still here, so I. No. Oh, look at that. No, it's not key.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Carlos Morales, State Certified Spanish Court Interpreter. The interpreter has not been sworn in yet today.
Oh, okay. I saw you, I guess we didn't use you this morning. All right, good morning. Do you swear to interpret from Spanish to English and English to Spanish to the best of your ability, so help you God?
I do.
All right. And this is Marco Garcia Ontiveros, is that you?
Garcia Ontiveros, sí.
Garcia Ontiveros, yes.
All right, good morning. I'm Judge Starr. You were arrested on a battery charge, domestic violence related. I found probable cause for your arrest. You are to have no contact with the victim.
Your Honor, defense would request a no hostile contact order. As is indicated in the charging affidavit, the alleged victim does not wish to prosecute further.
All right, that's denied today. No contact with the victim. No alcohol, no drugs. No weapons. Your bond is $1,500.
He does qualify for PTR, Your Honor.
Oh, is that the victim? Is that Mr. Raul?
Yes,
Is that you?
yes.
Do you speak English?
A little bit, not too much.
Mr. Morales, can you hear that person speaking in the victim speaking?
A little bit. They probably have to get closer to the
Can
microphone.
you get closer to the microphone? Tell me what
yeah.
you want to tell me. Oh, that's okay.
Maybe-
Dígame, come on.
Ya,
¿Qué es lo que quiere informar?
sí, vengo a la corte por el día de hoy, por el problema que estamos aquí.
Well, I came to the court today because of the problem that, has led us to be here.
Okay. Are you afraid of him?
Ya,
¿Usted le tiene miedo a él?
no.
No.
No?
No.
Do you want to have contact with him?
¿Quiere tener contacto con él?
Sí,
Yes.
All right, no hostile contact granted. No alcohol, no drugs, no weapons, no hostile contact. Bond is $1,500. All right, good luck.
Muy bien. Que le vaya bien. Prohibición de contacto hostil, prohibido alcohol, prohibido las drogas, la fianza es de $1,500.
Yeah, public defenders appointed on all cases.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Jose Vaca Jose.
Your Honor, just for the interpreter's benefit, are there any Osceola cases, or were those done already?
No, we did them already, thank you.
Oh, okay, no problem.
All right. All right, who do we have in the, what are we calling this thing? In the box, in the? The witness box? Hola,
Hola.
what would you like to tell me?
¿Qué quiere decir, señora?
Que vengo a retirar los cargos del señor José Vaca porque él es inocente.
Well, I've come to withdraw the charges against Jose Vaca because he's innocent.
Okay, thank you so much. All right, Mr. Vaca Jose, I reviewed your affidavit, find probable cause. I'm not allowing you contact with the victim just yet, not today. After the review of the affidavit, you will have no contact with the victim, separate residences, no alcohol, no drugs, no weapons, and the bond is $1,500. Thank you.
Muy bien, gracias, señora. Después de leer el affidavit, determinó que existe motivo fundado. Señor, le estará prohibido el contacto con la víctima. Por ahora no le voy a permitir tener contacto con la víctima después de haber leído el affidavit, así que tiene que vivir en una residencia aparte a la de la víctima. También las condiciones son que le está prohibido el alcohol, drogas, armas y la fianza es de $1,500. Gracias, es todo.
Okay, thank you.
Your Honor, I'm sorry, I forgot to ask for the case numbers.
Case number is 2021 MM003629AO.
Thank you.
Okay. Lenin Rodriguariage, sorry. Rodriguariage? Okay. Driving without a driver's license?
Rodriguez.
Oh, I see a couple. Oh, no, you did it over and over again? Oh, and there's is that a refusal? Oh. Okay, DUI. Oh, I see. All right. You have a driving without a valid driver's license, driving under the influence, and the refusal. I'm appointing the public defender to your case. I'm appointing the public defender to all cases this morning. I review the affidavit, find probable cause for all three counts. For driving without a valid driver's license, it's $500. The pre-trial, so this DUI is separate, right? Am I looking at this correctly?
He's also out on bond on a DUI case, Your Honor,
So he's out on bond on the DUI case.
as well as a new DUI law offense from yesterday.
Wow, it's busy. Okay. That's what that orange piece of paper is. Well, that's not good. So on your old DUI case, let me get that case number for you. 20 CT 1645 AW, your bond is revoked. There's no bond on that case now. And then on your new cases, $500 on the no valid driver's license, $500 on your new DUI and the $500 on the refusal. Did I get everything? I feel like I got everything. Okay. All right, that's a lot. Maybe you should stop driving. Okay, good luck.
Yes, thank you.
Jose Alvarado Mendez. All right, good morning, sir. You have an out-of-county warrant from Hillsborough County, but they have bonds for like $50 each. So that'll be your bond today. That's all. Thank you.
Well, what is that case about?
It was I think it was a battery and a petty theft. It was from Hillsborough. Don't tell me anything about it. You're gonna go to Hillsborough now.
From where?
Hillsborough?
Well, where in Hillsborough? I mean, can you explain that?
Where in Hillsborough? I don't know. The courthouse.
Is that by Tampa?
Yes, Hillsborough is Tampa. Yeah. Oh, I can
Okay,
answer that
now I know.
question. Okay, good luck. Is that it? Okay, that's all, Mr., oh my God. I forgot your name.
Morales.
Morales, thank you. It's been 3 years since I've seen you.
Yes.
All right, good to see you, Mr. Morales. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
He wants to talk? He wants to have a therapy session? Oh, Mr. John Burridge? Is that who you're talking about? He doesn't want to come out?
He came out,
Oh. Oh, okay, got it.
Your Honor, defense is comfortable resetting him for tomorrow.
You want to reset Mr. Burridge for tomorrow?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, reset for tomorrow.
Do you need me to turn this way?
Yeah, that's, you want to talk now?
You have to talk in the mic, okay?
Okay. With the
Ma-
judge.
Is it Maranatha? Maranatha? Maranatha Divinard? David? Nope, I'm so confused. All right. Orlando Gote, is that you?
Yes.
All right, good morning, how are you?
Doing pretty good.
Okay, I reviewed your affidavit. I find probable cause, I'm setting your bond at $1,500.
He does qualify for PTR, Your Honor.
All right, I can add pretrial release.
Your Honor, we ask that if pretrial is being ordered, we ask for a lower monetary bond amount.
No, I'm not going to do that today. No contact with the victim, no alcohol, no drugs, no weapons, separate residences. Thank you. Carlos Tavares? Yeah, $1,500. Thank you. Okay. All right, Mr. Tavares, it looks like you have an out-of-county warrant for first-degree murder by distribution of opium. There's no bond on that warrant, on that case. But you also have a drug trafficking case 2021 CF 001107AO. And my curiosity is, can I revoke bond? Is the timing something that causes a bond revocation on our case? State, any position?
No, Your Honor.
All right, then I won't revoke the bond. So no action on the other case. State has no comments. Zimmerman, Lauren Zimmer? Yeah, question?
Miss, on January when I was arrested, it was all for the same thing. For the
Okay. Okay, all for the same thing?
the trafficking and then yesterday they just said that I had a warrant. It just came out of nowhere yesterday.
Right. Okay.
But I was already in system on January. And
Yeah,
then,
I have two cases. I have one, I think it was Seminole that I saw. It was Seminole County, right?
but it's from the same people.
With the Orange County, Your Honor, the bondsman came off of it, so it was an endorsed bond. I think that's what he's confused about.
Oh, okay.
He was already here on it, and they bonded out, but then they came off of it.
Oh,
They endorsed the bond.
yeah, okay.
But it's from the same case, you know.
Sorry. Okay, that's all. Thank you. All right, Lauren Zimmer. All right, Ms. Zimmer, I reviewed your affidavit. I find probable cause. Set your bonds at 500 for the resisting and 100 for the trespass. But I'm going to revoke your bond on your open case, 2020 CF 008024AO.
Trespass, what,
Okay.
Additionally, we asked, she does qualify for, we would like to ask if she qualifies for mental health PTR. If not, we'd ask that she be placed on PTR with mental health conditions with regard to the trespass.
Well, she's not going anywhere. So you want to ask for something that they offer in the jail?
Well, in,
Because I just revoked her bond on her felony case, her pending felony case.
well, we'd just be asking for that in the event that she does resolve her pending felony case and can bond out on this.
All right, you can ask that when you're resolving the CF case. So denied today. All right.
may I speak, Your Honor?
Revoke. Yeah, 500, 100, revoke on the CF case. All right, our next case is Walter Robinson. Mr. Robinson, how are you? Hello, good morning, hello. Hi, you're looking all around. Hi, how are you? Oh, hi. Okay. Hi. Okay, Mr. Robinson?
What about now?
Mr. Robinson, can you hear me?
Can't hear? Okay, you sit here.
Okay, Mr. Robinson, you're being held no bond on a violation of probation.
Your Honor, it appears he still can't hear you.
You want to write this down for him?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Write it down. Tell him he's being held no bond on his violation of probation.
I can't hear.
Can you read my lips?
Yeah.
You're being held with a zero bond for your violations.
I want to talk.
You want to say to the
I want to tell her what the situation is.
Oh, that's dangerous. Don't tell me anything.
Okay, but I was let out of this country. I was let out of
listen.
jail.
Mm-mm.
This is all being recorded, okay? This is going to be used. Don't say anything here. Save it for later, okay?
I don't understand.
Okay, it's okay. Save it for later. We're going to talk about it later, okay? Okay?
save it for later. Save it for later. The attorney is gonna work up the case, okay? Not gonna do that. We don't wanna talk about the facts.
There wasn't no case, the judge let me out himself, that's what I'm saying, they making a mistake, they were looking at it yesterday when they arrested me, there was no warrant, it's a mistake, the judge let me out because they couldn't accommodate me.
Okay, bye. I'm so sorry. I know you have a story. I'm so sorry. I can't hear it today. It's not going to change my decision today. I'm so sorry. She's going to talk to you later, though, and she's going to help you.
We'll talk after.
Okay? She's going to come very soon, come talk to you.
That's it.
All right, next we have Kayvon Brinkley. Kayvon Yolanda Brinkley. Are you Stanley?
Yes, ma'am.
Stanley, what do you want to tell me?
I want to everything that police report was lied. I would like to have contact.
Lies?
Yes, it was.
All of this?
I ain't do no report. That's the police that did their report.
This is all lies.
Those all lies. I ain't did no report. You didn't see my name on that report.
Wow. Okay. Anything else you want to tell me?
Yes, you don't see my name on that report.
What?
I ain't did no report.
Okay. What else do you want to tell me?
I would like to have contact with her.
Okay. All right, I can't do that today. I'm so sorry. I review the affidavit, find probable cause. I'll set the bond at $5,000. No contact with the victim, no alcohol, no drugs. Why don't we just add some no driving to that for now, too? All right, thank you. Oh, that's right.
I'm not in charge of this meeting anyway.
Let's do, let me correct that, $2,500 on each. Thank you. Crystal Edge Johnson. Ms. Johnson, good morning. I reviewed your affidavit, find probable cause. There's no bond on all 4 of your counts. There's no bond. These are no bond cases, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody here for her? No. Okay, thank you.
Your Honor, for the record, is there a finding of proof evident presumption grade based on the 4 corners?
Yes.
Thank you, Judge.
Rowan Leah Powell.
That's it.
That's all for her. I guess from the jail.
I won't get it.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, no contact. Thank you. All right, Rowan Leah Powell. Thank you, 1 second. Okay, Rowan Leah Powell,
Yes.
I reviewed the affidavit, find probable cause. I'm going to set your bond at $8,000. You to have no contact with the victim, no weapons, no drugs, no alcohol. Anything else, state?
No return to senior honor and separate residence, please.
No contact, and separate residences. Thank you.
Your Honor, may there be a one-time return with the assistance of the Sheriff's Department?
Yes, one time with the sheriff.
Thank you, Judge.
Rafael Martinez. Are you Mr. Camacho?
Yes, ma'am.
What would you like to tell me?
Just simply, I don't want to press charges. There's all a misunderstanding. Unfortunately, I know it led to, the physical counteraction or interaction, but aside from that, yeah, no, I don't want to press no charges.
Are you afraid of her?
Him? No, I'm not at all.
No? Okay, so,
I think he's here for the next person.
Ms. Martinez,
No, Mr. Martinez, I'm sorry.
yeah. I'm
He's not,
confused.
Mr. Martinez isn't in the courtroom yet, Your Honor.
Oh,
This is still the last.
Oh,
They haven't brought him in yet.
okay. Mr. Martinez, I reviewed your affidavit, find probable cause. I'll set your bond at,
He does qualify for PTR, Your Honor.
that's nice. I'll set your bond at $3,000. You'll have no hostile contact with the victim, no weapons, no drugs, no alcohol, okay? No hostile contact, okay?
yes. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, goodbye. Douglas Stoneburner. All right, Mr. Stoneburner. I reviewed your affidavit, find probable cause. I'm going to set your bond at $8,000. No contact with the victim, no drugs, no alcohol. No weapons.
That ain't what happened, Your Honor.
Okay.
My parents have been trying to kick me out because I have my stuff there, and I've been living there and helping them out for the last 6 months.
No, I can't live there anymore. You want to take a guess where you're going to be living now? All right, Azira, Washington. Are you Miss Nicole?
Yes.
What would you like to tell me, Miss Nicole?
I'd like to say that I don't want to press any charges and that it was a misunderstanding, and I'm sorry.
All right, I find probable cause on the affidavit. I'm going to set your bond at $3,000. No contact with the victim. I understand that's how you feel, and you can bring it up again, but not today, okay? Today, we're going to leave things alone for a little while. No contact with the victim, no drugs, no alcohol, no weapons. That's it.
Thank you.
And
Your
he
Honor,
did
is there
qualify
also,
for-
I apologize.
Good.
For the record, Your Honor, is there a no return and,
Right, no contact means no return to the residence if you do live with the victim, and if you need to go get your stuff, you can go back one time with law enforcement.
Okay, that's fine. I do have stuff to retrieve.
Anything else, Miss Nicole?
No, thank you.
Okay, thank you, bye. All right. Frankia Coleman, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm okay.
Are you Troy?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, what would you like to tell me?
I'm trying to tell you that this was a misunderstanding. She was arrested from my house. I guess somebody called at Subway. I would think we were horse playing because nobody was in there. After we were horse playing, we walked through the line, got our food, and I think we argued about who was gonna pay. She didn't follow me after we left the store. I left first because I hold the door open for her. And
So you want contact with her?
as in the residence, that's her house. I don't. She just lets me come over, so I do want contact. And again, that's her house. I don't stay there, so she just lets me come over.
Okay, so I find probable cause in the affidavit. I'll set your bond at $500, no hostile contact with the victim.
And she does qualify for PTR.
All right, I'll leave it at $500. Thank you. Keith Finkton. Keith Finkton. Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good morning. How are you, sir?
Good morning.
All right, I reviewed your affidavit. I find probable cause. I set your bond at $1,500, no contact with the victim. No drugs, no alcohol, no weapons. If you do live together, you have separate residences now, and if you need to go back, you can go back one time to get your stuff with law enforcement. Marvin Frazier.
And Mr. Frazier does qualify for PTR.
Okay, thanks.
Step where? Oh. Okay.
Are you Jennifer?
Yes, I am.
All right, Miss Jennifer, what do you want to tell me?
Well, first of all, I just want to say that my ex-husband, he's schizophrenic, paranoid, and he's a VA veteran. And I will, if you can put down in a note that he needs to get on some medication for his mental capacity.
Okay, thank you
Yes.
so much.
Yes.
All right, Mr. Frazier, I reviewed your affidavit, find probable cause. I'm going to set your bond at $2,000, and you can't have any contact with Miss Jennifer.
Your Honor, we also ask that he be placed on mental health pretrial release.
Mental health pretrial release along with his bond of $2,000.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Okay.
No contact order.
I'm blinded. And they are at my house.
That's okay, he doesn't need to sign it. That's all right. Just, you can't go near, is it your ex? Wife?
Yes,
Ex?
yeah, I'm leaving to go back to Cleveland, Ohio
Okay.
first thing in the morning. So I have my clothes there right
Well,
now.
he ain't gonna be there.
I know.
Okay,
Okay.
all right, leave her alone. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. No. Thank you. Thank you.
I'm just gonna guide you. Just follow her.
I'm sad now. Well, it's been an hour and that's it, I'm sad. Only took an hour.
And Ms. Harrell does qualify for PTR.
Okay. Hi, Ms. Harold, I'm Judge Starr, how are you? Good morning.
Hi, Judge. How are you? I'm fine.
Good.
I never spoke to my public defender.
Oh, she's right here, don't worry. You're gonna talk to her now. And then later. All right, I reviewed your affidavit. I find probable cause, set your bond at $1,500. You're to have no contact with Ms. Keenan, no drugs, no alcohol, no weapons. That's all. Thank you. Desiree Hodges. Ms. Hodges, good morning. I reviewed your affidavit, find probable cause. Set your bond at $1,500. You have no contact with the victim, Errol. No drugs, no alcohol, no weapons. If you live together, you don't live together anymore. Okay, thank you. Austin Joyner. Are you Mrs. Joyner?
Yes, ma'am.
What would you like to tell me?
I just want to say I do not want to press charges, and we're on vacation from South Carolina. We're actually supposed to be coming home today, and this was just very out of character. And yeah, I'm not afraid of him in any way.
So you're supposed to go back today?
Yes, ma'am.
State, what do you say?
Your Honor, the state's going to ask for no contact in this case due to the allegation of the charges and the recentness of the event taking place.
Okay. How did you get here? Did you rent a car?
No, we drove our vehicle, just one vehicle.
All right, well, you can drive home alone and he can figure out, maybe you can leave him money for a bus ticket because he's not going to have any contact with you. I reviewed the affidavit, find probable cause, set your bond at $500, and then whatever else money you have, buy a bus ticket and think about what you did on the bus ride home. Okay. No weapons, no drugs, no alcohol. Luz Margarita Lugo.
And she does qualify for PTR.
Thank you. All right, good morning, ma'am. How are you?
Good morning, well, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. All right, I reviewed your affidavit, find probable cause, set your bond at $1,000. No contact with the victim. No drugs, no alcohol, no weapons.
I'm sorry, may I speak with the PD?
Yes, you can talk to her. All right, that concludes your case. I'll give you a minute to talk to her.
Your Honor, we'd be asking for a bond at a lower amount. My client has no criminal history, Your Honor.
Denied. Thank you. Ian Cherie.
Mr. Shuri qualifies for PTR.
This bond.
All right, good morning, Mr. Sheree, how are you? All right, I reviewed your affidavit, find probable cause, set your bond at $1,500. You have no contact with the victim in this case, and no drugs, no alcohol, no weapons. This concludes your hearing. That's your lawyer. Good luck.
Sign right.
Jeremy Soto.
And Mrs. Soto qualifies for PTR.
Okay, thank you. I can't remember if I saw Mr. Gote. I didn't get to Mr. Do I have Mr. Gote? Do I have the co-defendant
I
today?
think it was a move-up.
Is
He's
it,
on
I
a
did him
move-up docket.
first? I forgot what I did. Don't worry about it. All right, don't worry about it. All right, Jeremy Soto, I reviewed your affidavit, find probable cause, set your bond at $1,500, $1,500, no contact with the victim, no contact with the co-defendant, Mr. Gote, either. No drugs, no alcohol, no weapons. This concludes your hearing. That's your lawyer. Good luck. Nadia Wallace.
And she qualifies for PTR.
Are you Maxon?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, what would you like to tell me, Mr. Maxon?
That it was just a misunderstanding. I do not want to press charges.
Are you afraid of her?
Oh, not at all.
All right. I reviewed the affidavit, find probable cause, set your bond at $1,000, no hostile contact with the victim, no drugs, no alcohol, no weapons, no more fighting. Okay?
Thank you.
Talk to her, not me. I am definitely eating ice cream today. The whole pint, if anybody's interested.
Looking from the.
Okay, sorry, thank you. Brian Bradley,
Yes, ma'am.
is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Brian Bradley, attempted second-degree murder, aggravated battery, great bodily harm with a firearm. This is an arrest warrant signed by Judge Adams. Count 1 is no bond, and count 2 is $10,000.
Your Honor, just for the record, is there a finding of proof evident presumption great based on the four corners?
I don't have the underlying charge, I just have the warrant, so I can't make that determination.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, George Calloway,
Your Honor, his behavior?
his behavior.
Can we have him reset for tomorrow just to give him
Reset
another
for
opportunity?
tomorrow. David Cook. Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. You failed to appear you have a warrant, possession of methamphetamine, $500, petty theft, $100. Court case 2020 CF 0149680. Okay, thank you. Leonardo Delgado. Leonardo Delgado. Good morning, Mr. Delgado. How are you?
All right, how about you, ma'am?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. You failed to appear on your court case, and they issued a arrest warrant for you, and now there's no bond in your case. That's case number 2021 CF 0030008AO. Good luck. Hans Gurnier. Hans? All right, Hans, you have a trafficking in controlled substance, possession of cannabis over 20 grams, carrying a concealed firearm, and possession of drug paraphernalia. The on the entire arrest affidavit I reviewed, I find probable cause for all counts. On the trafficking, it's a $25,000 bond. The cannabis, $150. The firearm, $150, and the paraphernalia, $100. All right, this concludes your hearing today. Good luck.
Thank you.
Richard Herbert?
Yes, ma'am.
You failed to show up for your case on a petty theft with 2 prior convictions.
What was the date on that? Because I've been arrested since May 1st, and I was in the hospital for 4 days.
I have no idea.
The current case I'm here for is
Case
May 1st.
for-
I was in the hospital until, I think, the 5th for emergency surgery, and then Orange County, they had already booked me in and everything, and Orange County Corrections brought me over. They're with me the whole time. So,
This one?
is that the
That's a
20,
warrant.
is that 20 CF 13959?
Oh, it's not,
This is a
oh, I'm
new-
sorry, it's not
new
it's not of FTA. Hold on, my bad. Thank you. Hold the phone. Okay, it's just a probable cause order, my bad.
Now, is that the case number 20 CF 13959?
No, 2021 CF 006282-AO.
6282.
And this one is petty theft with 2 prior theft convictions, and looks like they did give you a bond amount of
Is
$2,500.
there a way you can read the affidavit? Because I haven't.
I don't have it. That's why I was confused. All I have is the order that says, go get him and put him in the jail, and if he wants out, the bond is $2,500. And the charge is that petty theft with the 2 prior convictions. They don't want you, It says no contact with the victim or co-defendants. I don't know who they are because I don't have the affidavit in front of me. And don't return to the scene. So good luck with that. That's the case number, though. Maybe your lawyer can help you. She can look it up and tell you the deets for that. All right, Barbara. Are you Barbara?
Yes.
Barbara Johnson?
Yes.
Barbara with 2 R's?
You're gonna have to get it from here, okay?
Barbara with 2 R's. Actually, 3.
Oh, yeah. 3.
Barbara.
Barbara?
Barbara.
How you doing, ma'am?
I'm doing good. How you doing?
I'm all right.
All right. Failure of the defendant to appear. This one is a failure to appear. No, okay. Abuse of elderly or disabled adult, no bond. Barbara.
May I plead today?
I'm sorry?
Can I plead today?
No, not with me. I'm so sorry. You're gonna have to wait. All right, good luck. Okay, Jamie Komet. All right, Ms. Komet, you have new cases, you have old cases, got lots of stuff going on with you. Possession of cocaine, possession of drug paraphernalia. Find probable cause in your new affidavit, the bonds in your new case, cocaine, 1,000, drug paraphernalia, 500. But unfortunately, in your 2020 CF 0153290, I'm going to revoke your bond. So no bond on that one.
And Your Honor, there was another FAD added for her. She was referred to pretrial diversion in 2020 CF 014327AO. Did you want to take any action on that?
Revoked.
Okay. It's 2020 CF 014327AO.
Okay, Daniel Maldonado. All right, Mr. Maldonado, you have 4 counts on your new case. I reviewed the affidavit, find probable cause, no bond on all 4 counts. Actually, the 4th count, I'll give you a bond. The 4th count is $5,000. No bond on the first 3 counts.
And Your Honor, that out on bond, that first appearance detainer was closed. He actually pled and was time served on that.
Oh, so this whole thing?
On the 2021 MM 849, yeah, he was time served on.
What about CF? Oh, so the CF was transferred to the MM, and then?
Yes.
Okay.
And that MM, he pled and was time served.
Okay, so nothing to do.
Right.
What about CF 6294?
That's his current case.
Oh.
That you did the bond.
That I just did?
Yes.
Okay, very good. All right, thank you so much. Phew. All right, Eric Matherson.
Your Honor, he's in the hospital.
Your Honor, we can go
Can he
ahead
come
and
back
wait.
tomorrow?
He just went out this morning, so.
Oh, so we want to try Monday?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, let's try for Monday. 48-hour reset. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mer, mer, mer. Terrence Murray, is that you? Hello, how are you?
How you doing, man?
I reviewed your affidavit, oh, it's a arrest warrant, and your bond is set at, oh, I'm gonna set it at $2,000. And that's all we have for you. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Goodbye. Maurice Neal. Hello, how are you?
Good morning. Doing okay.
All right, looks like you have a capias. So for that, count 1 is $2,500, count 2 is $100. And on your new cases, oh, that is, those are the cases. That's it. Thank you.
Your Honor, Erica Ortiz bonded.
Oh, good for Erica Ortiz. I'll see her in town. All right. Mr. Quick? Oh, not quick enough. All right, I reviewed your affidavit. Find probable cause, set your bonds as follows. Count one, $1,000, count two, $100, count three, $100. All right, good luck, Mr. Quick.
He also has an out on county case, Your
Oh,
Honor.
he did?
Hillsborough County case.
Oh, come back, Mr. Quick. He is not Mr. Quick. I didn't see that. Oh, that's why, it's separate, that's why. Okay. Mr. Quick, you also have an out-of-county warrant that's going to hold you no bond. And that is from Hillsborough County. All right, good luck. Alfredo Santiago Rivera.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Hello, how are you? Good, thank you. Possession of methylene ecstasy, possession of ecstasy. All right. And you got some open cases, that's not good. Okay, reviewed the affidavit, find probable cause, set your bond in your new case at $1,000, and then your old cases, which are 2021 CF 001506 AO and 1495 AO, I'm going to revoke your bonds in those two cases. Okay. Thank you, goodbye.
Your Honor, Theodore Sherrod is medical.
Okay, thank you. Try them tomorrow? Reset tomorrow? Okay, thank you. Samuel Vaccaro.
Vaccaro refused.
Oh, my goodness. Kind of shenanigans is that? Gavin Peters?
Waters.
Waters.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, oh, Gavin Waters, yes. It's such a nice handwriting. Can't even read it. Handwriting's so pretty. All right, Mr. Waters. Whew. Busy, 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 Mr. Waters. Review the affidavit, find probable cause for all 8 counts. Set your bonds as follows. Count 1, $100,000. Counts 2 through 8, $1,000 each. 2020 CF 013642 AO and 2020 CF 013450 AO. I'm revoking your bond on both of those cases. Good luck.
Yes, ma'am.
Christian Wilkerson.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, how are you?
How you doing?
I'm doing good. How you doing? All right. All right, I've reviewed your affidavit, find probable cause. I'm setting your bond as follows. Count 1 is $10,000. Count 2 through 4 is Count 2 and 3, $150. Count 4, $100. On 2020 CF 013511 AO, your bond is revoked. Thank you, good luck. Mr. Andrew Williams,
Yes, ma'am.
you have a warrant for fleeing and eluding. No bond. Bye-bye.
Is this Mr. Williams, Your Honor? He's also out on bond. On 2020 CF 011186 AO. It's 2020 CF 011186AO.
Bond revoked on that case.
Excuse me, Judge, that case is resolved and over with.
Well, then, it won't matter what I did today if that is the case.
He was referred to PTD.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, so that might be why he
Okay,
thought it was,
all right. Then no action on that case.
no action on the PTD? Okay.
Yeah. All right, I have Lawanda Steplight next. I was gonna say, I don't think that's Lawanda, but I don't know. You're not Lawanda, are you? You sure? You're not?
Ms. Steplight's just here to have her first appearance detainer, her out on bond addressed. Her warrant was set at ROR, so it was closed, but she has a FAD.
Huh?
Um,
You're okay to pop it off? I can't.
The warrant she came in on, the bond was set at ROR, so that case was closed, but she had an open case, so that's what she's here to address.
Oh, the open case.
That open out
Got
on
it.
bond case.
Oh, are you Lawanda?
Yeah.
Hello. Yeah. Okay, thank you. All right, so on your old case, 2019 CF 011491AO, I have to revoke your bond on that case. Okay? So there's no bond on that case. The other case was already addressed, correct? All right, thank you so much. All right, Mr. Bronson, operating an unregistered vehicle. Who's coming to get you out?
My girlfriend,
How long is it going to take?
I give her a call, about 35 minutes.
And he does qualify for PTR.
I have the registration and.
All right, I'm going to give him the PTR. I find probable cause, pretrial release.
Any conditions with that, Your Honor, or just straight?
Don't drive without your registration. Everything okay?
Oh, yeah, so far.
So God was back there. I was like, oh, we got to stop. We got God here. Okay, well, he is here, but I thought he was like really in there, like in the physical form. Okay, Mr. De Leon Ruiz, tough crowd. Is that you, Mr. Ruiz? No, I'm on the wrong one. He bonded out. Did I hear
Do you
he
have
bonded?
the booking number for him? I can look him up.
Oh, geez, booking number, where would that be? Oh, okay. Oh, I was never going to read that one. 21012665.
They bonded.
Okay, bonded, very good. And
Carl Sturge, Your Honor, has also bonded.
who?
Carl Sturge, Carl Michael Sturge.
Oh, Sturge, okay, Sturge bonded. What about George Week Lopiccolo?
No.
You want a number for that?
Yeah, the booking number for that.
21012663.
They bonded as well.
Okay. And what about Mr. Wang? Are you Mr. Wang?
Oh, no. Your Honor.
Do you have his booking number as well?
Yep, 21012659.
They bonded.
Okay. Mr. Worthington?
Oh, Your Honor.
Do not tell me who you are.
Okay, another
I'm gonna get it.
You're getting close.
Okay, just let me struggle. I'll be better for it. Okay, so Mr. Worthington is 2101-2657.
Bonded.
Wilsey?
Yes.
Wilsey Cherismay.
Yes, Your Honor. That's,
Okay. Whew. Finally, so glad to meet you.
He's getting close. Glad to meet you too, Your Honor.
All right. Let's see. Most expensive can of Modelo ever in history. I reviewed the affidavit, find probable cause, set your bond at $500. That's it. Petty theft? Yes? Mm-hmm. May I proceed? Yes, okay, thank you. Sasha Childs. Hello, Ms. Childs. I have a resisting and a trespass. I reviewed the affidavit, find probable cause, set your bond at $1,000 on the resisting and $500 on the trespass. Don't go back there. Derek Kuntz.
That's me, ma'am.
Hello, how are you, sir?
I'm doing so-so this morning.
Yeah?
So,
I'm doing great, thank you so much.
mhm.
2,000 right now.
All right, I reviewed the affidavit, find probable cause, set the bond at $500. Don't go back there.
Yes, ma'am. May I say one thing, though?
I don't think you should. Say it to her.
I had the freedom of speech when they trespassed, it was illegal.
All right, Juan Nunez. Hello, Mr. Nunez, how are you?
Your Honor.
I reviewed your affidavit, find probable cause, set your bonds as follows. $2,000 for threatening the law enforcement, $1,000 for battery, and $1,000 for the resisting without. Thank you. Rickiana Nicole Patterson.
Your Honor, she bonded.
She bonded. Omar Perez. Hello, how are you?
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Oh, it's afternoon. Oh, that went fast. I reviewed your affidavit, find probable cause, set your bond at $500. Go find a new place to hang out. Angela Pike. Hello, Ms. Pike, how are you? I reviewed your affidavit, find probable cause, set your bonds as follows. The possession of drug paraphernalia is $1,000, the resisting's $200, and the carrying a concealed weapon, to wit, the pipe, $200. That's all, thank you. Mr. Rhodes? Mr. Rhodes, you have a petty theft?
Your Honor, for the record, my client's name is Tyler Rhodes, not Eddie Rhodes. Eddie would be his brother.
I have Tyler Samuel Rhodes. Okay, so let's correct that. And on your new case, I find probable cause, set your bond at $250. I'm revoking your,
Your Honor, both those cases were put in error. The judge.
oh, they're Eddie's cases?
No, the judge actually suspended his DL and closed those cases, so they're
Wonderful.
closed.
All right, so you're just looking at the $250 bond.
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe you should shop at Walmart instead of Target. All right, Robert Rouse, I don't think they'd like me telling you to do that, though.
Ma'am.
Okay, bye. Mr. Rouse? Hello, how are you?
Doing great, man.
So Friends with Benefits is not DV related?
Alvarado Mendez.
Robert Rouse?
That's correct, ma'am.
Okay. All right, I reviewed your affidavit, find probable cause, set your bond at $500, no contact with your friend.
Right.
No alcohol, no drugs, no weapons. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Luis Vieira. Luis Vieira?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I reviewed your affidavit, find probable cause for your petty theft at Home Depot. Set your bond at $250, but I'm going to revoke your bond on your other misdemeanor case, 2021 MM 001203AO. That's in, you failed to appear for that, so now you got no bond on that case.
And
Hold on,
you're-
is that the same case? Is this an F, hold on, let me make sure it's not the same. No, it's a different case, yeah.
He also had two other open cases he's out on conditional release for. 2017 CF 015192AO and 2017 CF 007549AO.
We don't have those?
Those were added before court. was
Oh,
signed.
they were?
He's out on conditional release in 2017 CF 015192AO and 2017 CF 007549AO.
One more time.
For the cases?
Yeah, please.
Okay. 2017 CF 015192AO and 2017 CF 007549AO.
Okay. Those two and this one revoked.
Okay.
And then 250 on the new one. Yes? Okay.
So, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
His conditional release has been revoked.
Yes.
Thank you, Judge. And Your Honor, may we ask that mental health conditions be placed with PTR in case he does bond out on this case?
No, thank you. Denied. Okay. Mr. David Smith?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Smith, you have an out-of-county warrant from,
Volusia County.
oh, okay. Yes, Volusia. All right. Your bonds are 20,000 and 10,000 on those two counts in that case.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Miss Jordan Vasquez.
Your Honor, unfortunately, he does speak Spanish, so we're going to have to reset him for tomorrow.
Okay,
He just
reset for
informed the staff.
tomorrow. No bond anyway. He speaks Spanish, so we need to reset him for tomorrow for Spanish. Want to call? You want me to try and call Mr. Morales back? And
If the court would not mind. Okay. Pero.
No, it's Taki. All right, we'll try again tomorrow. Reset for tomorrow. Hasta mañana. Shawana Walker. Hello, how are you?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. You have an out-of-county warrant, violation of community control from Okaloosa. I don't think I've ever been there. Where's Okaloosa?
It's Destin, Florida.
Oh, Destin. Yeah, I haven't been there. I heard it's beautiful, though. All right. Yeah. Oh, you have three. Hold on. Hold the phone.
My phone roll is in
need to see what she's gonna say first.
Yes. Okalusha, hold on, Okalusha. All no bond. They're not messing around over there. All right, good luck. Walter Watts. Are you Walter Watts? You're done. You got all three warrants out in Okalusha. Don't mess around in Okalusha anymore.
No, I'm not, ma'am.
Okay, good luck.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mr. Watts.
Yes, ma'am.
You have missed docket sounding. That sounds like Miami. Hold on. Is that Miami? Seminole. They call it sounding in Seminole? All right, you have an outstanding warrant out of Seminole. No bond. I'm not going to touch the other cases you have because I don't know which came first, the chicken or the egg. So I don't think the state has any comments anyway, do you?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, go to Seminole. All right, we have Tara McCard. Good morning, good afternoon, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. You have a warrant for a violation of probation. No bond. Not to be modified at IA. Tanya Davis Wilson. Oh, don't mess with her. I do what she says. Do not mess with TDW. Daniel Pierce.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, soliciting without a permit.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, find probable cause. You want to ask me something? No. You want to ask me something? No?
No, I don't.
Okay. Does he qualify for pretrial release?
He does not, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to ROR you.
What does that mean?
It means you can get out. But you got to be careful where you hold up your sign.
All right. Thank
Okay, goodbye. All right, what else? Anything else? I got, oh, nothing for the record. Okay. Court's adjourned. Bye. Don't hold up that sign anywhere. Okay, do I have to hang up on people here? And can I throw these out? You wanna just throw them? How do I, what? Off the record? I love being off the record. Off the record. All right, what else? Anybody have any comments, questions, or concerns about today?
Can you come stay with us over here, Vera?
You want me to stay?
Please? Please?
I love you all, but I don't like this experience. I'm not sure if you know that about me. Who was here? Deb? Oh. Why, because were they on vacation? People taking to go into judge school?
Classes.
I think they were.
Yeah, retired, yeah. Well, she's retired, so, you can only spend so much time at the YMCA. Yeah, I don't do slow. Unless somebody wants to jog with me, then I'm very slow. I'm a slow jogger. That's about it. Slow learner, slow jogger. That's it. Everything else, quick. I hit off. Oh, mute mode.